You need some help installing Blue Devil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Welcome back to the Blue Devil Products Garage. BlueDevil Coolant Stop Leak is a great alternative solution if you notice a drop in the coolant level in your system. Now, as a general maintenance note, if you have a dirty or clogged cooling system, I'd really recommend flushing that system before installing this product. Now, when your engine is cold, you want to remove the radiator cap. Just a little noteworthy side here, do not remove that radiator cap when the engine is hot. As you know, your system is under a lot of pressure and coolant is extremely dangerous at that temp. So let it cool to avoid any injury. Now, your coolant level is most likely already low, but just check it in case. You need that space for the Blue Devil, so drain some antifreeze if necessary. Now you're ready to add the product. Now the vehicle does not have a radiator cap. The product may be installed through the top of the radiator hose. Now this is important as well. Don't pour it into the reservoir or the overflow tank, okay? Now go ahead and start your cold engine and put the heater on the maximum setting. Slowly pour the Blue Devil into your cooling system through the radiator as the vehicle idles. And remember, pour it slowly. So after installing the Blue Devil, go ahead and replace that radiator cap. Allow your vehicle to idle for about 45 minutes. Now once complete, you simply top off the radiator with clean antifreeze or coolant. Blue Devil can remain in the system. Now you're ready to hit the road and cruise with confidence. So drive your life, live leak-free, and we'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the Blue Devil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.